Welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize home screen transitions on HONOR X7d. In order to do that, you have to perform a pinch gesture on your home screen like that, and then go to transition section right here below. And at the bottom of the screen you can see all of the different options for your screen transitions, and you can choose any of them. You can also see the preview of what they represent basically, and if these transitions aren't enough for you, you can still use some third-party launcher for your phone which allows more transitions. You can find those on the Play Store. There is plenty basically, but basically on the default launcher, this is how you customize transition on this phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.